All right, this one's the final one of the day, and the 27th day of lovely in town, July 2024. We're right next to Park Tavern. I parked over there. It's a Packer bar, but over here used to be a cement factory. A good friend of mine's dad owned that lot, and for a small fortune, he retired to Florida, in the outskirts of Miami. Took that money and he's a pleasant millionaire. So we're gonna walk across. So it's a small one. So I've drove by this hundreds of times. I'm like, you know, I'm gonna try this one out on the way home today. What the hell? Get home. I think I might take Sue Ellen down to the Mississippi without the dogs. There's a place I want to go see. It'd be good to video later on. So here we go. Kind of goes across. There's a electrical contract over here. So it's just kind of a small one. So if you want to go over and get hammered over at Park Tavern, it's a Packer bar. Watch my Cowboys get embarrassed there one day by the Green Bay Penis Packers. Right now it's middle of preseason. So there's a garbage down here where the hell that stuff is. I could have parked over here, but I'm like, let's go park it over there. And there's some good pallets over there for right over there. You can use those for get across a bridge if you want to do. They probably give it to you plywood there too as well. The weld. So yeah, it's off of Louisiana, St. Louis Park. Just about half a mile north of lovely and talented Highway 7. I don't know how long it's been here, but it's been here long enough. So residential over here. Well, there's a electrical contract over here. So she was using it. So yeah, here it is. Quick little walk across. There it is, man. This one is, you can tell this one's old. Wooden. I don't know. It's a nice day for videoing. It's 30 miles per hour here, man. It's easy to whip down here. When they first redid the road, they used to sit down there and just pull people over left and right. When I go down here, I just put this tree's dying. Tell the branch already dying. That'll come down sooner or later. But yeah, they just sit down the bottom of the hill down there. There's a nice big park over here. Real big. It's got a lot of sissy ball fields and a big park over there. So a lot of people come over here. It's an old pedestrian bridge, you can tell. Wood, old concrete. Yeah. You can kind of tell you got apartments over here. St. Louis Park's got a lot of nice parks. It's got Dakota Park I live next to. My mom's place off of Louisiana. They redid the park and fenced everything. So you can bike over here from that side and come over here and play baseball with your buddies without having to worry across the road. So, but yeah, it's an easy schmeezy one. Tell how old it is. Yeah, it's with 90 degrees today, and the wind makes it it's a nice cool breeze. So not a, I mean, when you get down in the desert down there, people have been dying in the in the desert because the idiots. One guy was walking the sand with 110 degrees, like a bunch of imbeciles. Just like the magic bus out there, that guy went out and the people going out to see the bus, and I get it. They don't realize how to cross the river. There's an actual bridge farther down. Just dumb. He would have survived if he'd have known that. People should know that if you're gonna go see it. But we're gonna go out in the middle of the hot weather and 115 degrees in the desert. Better be prepared, otherwise you're gonna die. That's all there is to it. So, yeah, this is a basic pedestrian bridge, you know, that gets the job done. Small. I figured I can't be picky. It's small, makes a difference, keeps people safe. What the hell, right? Yeah, he had a cement factory over there. Right over there. Sold it for a lot of bucks. They had to clean it up. Like, that's your problem, not mine. Old cement. My next door neighbor put all this cement in here. But yeah, figured, you know, a little adventure. This is an easy adventure. So we'll head on back. See if Sorrel wants to go down by the old Mighty Mo down there by the University of Minnesota. So never know. So, but anyways, guys, another pedestrian bridge. I got a couple more I want to look at. We'll see what happens there. So who knows? I do like that, the DJI, the 4 that I've been using. That's nice. So, yeah, that tree right over there, that one's dying over there. Well, you know what? These will all start coming down here in a little bit. Like I said, 27th of July, State Fair's coming up. By this time it comes out, I've already been to St. Martin. We went there this year. It's a nice tree. I'd love to have a tree house. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna take a picture of the bridge from the road. So, all right, guys, short one, but better than nothing at all. So we'll get out there and take a picture of the bridge. See you guys in the next one.